Nĩ maabitha magana merĩ ma 30 arĩa macokete bũrũri-inĩ thutha wa gũikara bũrũri wa Haiti kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 18 mĩhang'o-inĩ ya gũcokia thayũ, makiuga maumĩte kuo marĩ no camba thutha wa gũtiga macoketie thayũ bũrũri wa ihũirwo nĩ mogwati kona ciothe magĩthiĩ.
Then immediately we ventured and we secured the airport as a priority because that is where our base was, and we did extensive patrols day and night. Our officers didn't have rest because we had to ensure that, you see, for you to perform as a security officer, first you must ensure your safety. So we had to venture to ensure that where we are staying was very, very safe.
1 month passed, 2 months passed, 3 months, 1 year, 12 months, 14, 16, 18 months down the line, you have been in Haiti and you have done a fantastic, fantastic job. I must say, on behalf of the ministry, the people of Kenya, and the government of Kenya, I must say that we are very, very proud of you.
Maugĩte nĩ mahotete kũgĩa na ũgĩ mũingĩ na ũrĩa mekũhũthĩra kwambatia ikĩro cia ũgitĩri bũrũri-inĩ. Mũnene wa borithi Douglas Kanja akiuga ona kĩwĩra ikĩro ciao nĩ cikwambatĩra.
We have learned big lessons as the National Police Service of Kenya, because we took a venture that was against the odds of most people. And we thank the President because he took it bold enough and said, we must provide service for humanity.
So going forward, we are going to organize with the DIGs that we can have a good number of you. We form a committee so that we can be able to carry out what we call the after action reviews. And then from there now, we can be able to borrow a lot as we continue. In fact, we can even get some very good modules for training purposes.
Oho, maugĩte hatirĩ na bata wa kũgĩa na nganja cia kĩrĩa gĩatũmire matũmwo kũu, makiuga gũtirĩ wathinĩkĩrĩirio kĩa hinya mathiĩ, othe nĩ kwĩyendera. Oho nĩ morĩtio mahũthĩre wega mbeca iria mahotete gũthũkũma.
Officers who have come back now, they don't have a reason, one, to complain about poverty. It should not happen. They should be able to do something that should remember. Because, when you sweat, when you work tirelessly in such a risky environment, and whatever little benefits you get, you don't use them well, then equally, I think we will be saddened.
Gerifotere Inoro TV, jitagwo Jenga, Wawabui.